How to play YouTube in background. First, open any web browser that you would use. So for me, I'm gonna use Google Chrome. And once you're in Google Chrome, what you have to do is just basically go to YouTube. And once you're in YouTube, just search the video that you want to watch. So let's say I'm just gonna type in no copyright sounds, and I'm just gonna play one video from them. And once you're in the video, what you have to do is just basically press on these three dots down here. And once you press on them, just scroll down until you see the option of request desktop site. Just basically press on it, and it will open this whole desktop site thingy. So what you have to do now is just basically play the video, and it will be on the full screen. So now once you tap on your screen, you will be able to see a screen mirroring, or just like a image to it. So it's like a pinch out image. Just basically press on that image and it will pop out right next to it. And if you go back here, as you can see, I can play the video in background and however I would like to. So yeah, this is exactly on how you can play YouTube in background. This method works for both iOS and Android. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and goodbye.